Okay, my today's topic is understanding of disk drives. Okay, this is diagram of magnetic hard disk. Okay, these all are the disk. Okay, CD drives all are the disk. Okay, this is the top of the disk and this is the bottom of the disk. Okay, and next we are explain about total brief explanation of disk. Okay, what is meant by this is the top of the disk and this is the bottom of the disk means top of the disk this is the read and write heads. Okay, read and write heads. And again I am explain about total disk explanation. Okay, this is the disk. Okay, we call it as a geometry. Okay, we call it as a geometry and also we call it as a platters. Okay, platters. Okay, in disk we have a inner. Okay, this is called as a this is called as a this is called as a tracks. Okay, this is called as a tracks. Okay, tracks we have to divide the tracks. Okay, we have to divide the tracks. We have to divide the tracks. In tracks we are storing the information. Okay, we are storing the information like this. Okay, we call it as a sectors. Okay, we call it as a sectors and this space we call it as a disk surface. Okay, in sector space we call it as a inner sector gap. Okay, inner sector gap. Okay, this is all about components of a disk. Components of a disk. Okay, I am explaining about geometry and all this. What is meant by geometry? Geometry consists of geometry consists of tracks, sectors and platters. Okay, geometry consists of platters, tracks and sectors. These three we call it as a geometry. Okay, in this we have a read write heads are there. This is the top of the head and this is the bottom of the head. Okay, what is meant by heads means read write. Okay, read write on a drive. Okay, what is meant by track? Track is nothing but a concentric circle. Okay, track is nothing but a concentric circle. Okay, in why we are using the tracks means data is storing. Okay, data is storing. Okay, this we call it as a geometry. Another name it is called as a cylinder. Cylinder contain top and bottom surface. Okay, top and bottom surface we call it as a read and write heads. Okay, what is meant by sector? Okay, sector is nothing but we are storing the data in sector. Storage size is okay, we have storage size also. Sector storage size is 512 bytes. Okay, 512 bytes. In one point in track, always track is beginning with 0 means for example we have 60 bytes started with 0 to 59. Track is always started with 0. One more point is we have to calculate the CHS calculation also. What is meant by CHS means cylinder, okay, cylinder, head and sector. Cylinder, head and sector means, for example, 1024 cylinders are there, heads are 32. I am taking one example, sectors are 63. How to calculate sector means CHS is equal to 1024 into 32 into 63 equal to, this is sectors, okay, 2,06,384 sectors are there. This is the calculation of CHS calculation.